Evergreen dropshipping products are products people keep buying after the trend is gone. The fastest way to find them is not to ask, is this going viral? Ask three things. First, does it solve a problem that keeps coming back? A posture corrector, a webcam privacy slider, or a baby safety product has a reason to exist every month. Second, does demand stay alive outside one spike? Open Google Trends and compare the product against a fad. If the chart is one giant peak and then nothing, it is a trend play. If people keep searching across years, keep going. Third, do the numbers still work? In ProductLair's Evergreen collection, I want the boring filters, roughly $15 to $50, at least 100 reviews, 4 stars or higher, and enough margin room to survive shipping and ads. This is where most beginners get it backwards. They chase wow factor first. But in our data, problem solving was the strongest evergreen signal. Products that solved real problems scored 1.8 points higher, and high evergreen products sold 24 times more units on average than low-scoring ones. So the rule is simple. Do not ask, will this go viral? Ask, will someone still search for this problem 6 months from now? If the answer is yes, and the reviews, price, and margin still work, you have an evergreen candidate. I linked the ProductLair Evergreen collection below.